duet right here of our two gorgeous ladies. That's Joy, if you didn't catch her name the first time. The one that danced, same one. And that's Silin. Alright, these two you're gonna play what exactly? Can you please tell me?
We're going to perform a song called Find Me. It's by Christina Grimmie.
Can we give them a round of applause, please?
Something's bound to change, and I have been to blame. Washing away this mirror of madness won't come and spread no shame. 'Cause I've been waiting, watching and praying for you to go insane. I've been to the sound of my name, and I'll say, find me. Find me. Feeling the fire, burning the thought of calling back your name. Maybe it's all different because I cease to play your game. Forget the footsteps, forward and take one. That rate that you're secure. Hey, so now you're crying, open the binding. I'm not you looking but coming out and find me. I've been waiting my time. Precious song.